If you want to predict how long someone might live, don't look at their weight or their diet. Instead, look at their legs. It sounds unbelievable, but medical science proves that the stronger your legs are, the longer you will live. Most seniors believe that to grow strong legs, they have to spend hours at the gym or do intense weightlifting. But that is simply not true. You don't need a gym membership. Simple movements like chair-assisted squats, climbing the stairs, or even standing up from a chair without using your hands can help you build strength. However, these exercises won't be nearly as effective without the specific nutrients your body is starving for. As we grow older, our bodies stop producing and absorbing these vital compounds as efficiently as they used to. We need strong legs to survive because without them, our social connections vanish as we stop going out with friends. Our bone density suffers because our largest bones, the femurs, provide essential minerals for the brain. Most importantly, many seniors lose their independence due to falls. Leg strength creates the balance you need to stay safe. That's why in this video, I will show you 2 critical vitamins that, when taken at night, help rebuild and strengthen your legs even if you are over the age of 80. These vitamins work while you sleep, repairing your nerves, relaxing your muscles, and guiding calcium directly into your bones. Let's talk about the first one, which is highly effective, yet most people completely overlook it. This is magnesium. Magnesium is the mineral responsible for muscle relaxation, nerve repair, and calcium balance. Studies show that over 60% of older adults are deficient in magnesium. This deficiency shows up first in your legs as muscle cramps, nighttime spasms, restless legs, and a heavy feeling when walking. Taking magnesium at night works wonders, because this is when your muscles undergo deep repair. During sleep, your parasympathetic nervous system activates, which is your rest and repair mode. Magnesium supports this system, lowering muscle tension and improving circulation. It doesn't just calm your mind. It loosens tight muscles and ensures that the energy molecule, ATP, is restored by the time you wake up. Without magnesium, your muscles feel like heavy wood, but with it, your steps become lighter, and your balance improves significantly. But even with magnesium, your legs won't reach their full strength without the second vitamin, which is vitamin K2. Strong legs require strong bones, and strong bones require proper calcium placement. Calcium is the hardening mineral. But without K2 to guide it, calcium can end up in your arteries instead of your bones. This causes plaque buildup and leaves your bones brittle. Vitamin K2 acts like a GPS, activating proteins that direct calcium straight into your bone tissue, especially in weight-bearing areas like your hips and knees. Research shows that K2 significantly improves bone density and reduces the risk of fractures in older adults. But even if you take these nighttime vitamins religiously, you might still struggle if you have 3 silent deficiencies that most seniors don't even know they have. The first is vitamin D. It is responsible for calcium absorption and nerve communication. When vitamin D is low, the connection between your brain and your legs becomes sluggish, making you feel unsteady or shaky. Just 20 minutes of morning sunlight can change your life. The second deficiency is vitamin B12. B12 is essential for nerve health and oxygen delivery. Without it, you might experience numbness, tingling, or difficulty lifting your feet, a condition known as neuropathy. Finally, the most overlooked cause of weak legs is low protein intake. After age 50, we begin to lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. Without enough protein from eggs, fish, beans, or lean meat, your leg muscles will continue to thin out, making daily tasks feel impossible. When you combine magnesium and K2 at night with proper vitamin D, B12, and protein during the day, your legs become resilient and stable. Weak legs are not an inevitable part of aging. They are a signal that your body needs the right fuel. If you are serious about reclaiming your mobility, I have created a special ebook with over 93 high-protein meal recipes designed to help you build stronger legs. You can find the link in my pinned comment below. And stay tuned, because tomorrow I will reveal 3 common evening habits that are silently destroying your leg strength. Make sure you have subscribed so you don't miss that life-changing information. I will see you in the next video.